amend, because we have wasted away a lot of youth. Thank you, sir.
Honorable Desmond.
Thank you, my right honorable speaker. Good morning, honorable colleagues. The right honorable speaker, allow me to align myself totally with the prayers of the deputy speaker as far as this petition is concerned. I also want to express my heartfelt condolences to the families and to the lives that were lost or that have been lost as a result of the nefarious activities of the Special Anti-Robbery Squad, also known as SARS. I also want to commend our teeming youth for their peaceful protests that have been going on right now in various states of the Federation. Indeed, Mr. Speaker, honorable colleagues, the activities of SARS, even though the intent of the unit being brought to life was to maintain security, have actually been taken the other way around. The extrajudicial killings, the various activities of SARS really have become something that we all need to watch out for. It has gone beyond just calling hotlines, it's gone beyond having reforms. The National Assembly, as the Deputy Speaker rightly said, really need to look into it. The IG of police seriously must consider we are working for the people. If the unit with